Well, I'm heading up to the parts store. I'm going to get the rest of the tune-up kit. Throw some new points, condenser, rotor cap. I got the plugs and the plug wires. I'm going to get to the bottom of this H and get it out into the field and work it. Boom! Yep. Pulling into the International Parts Dealership. I'm gonna get some points and other tune-up parts from the... Oh, look at that nice 766 sitting in the showroom. Boom! All right, so I just got back from the parts store, and somebody mentioned in the previous video, not the previous video on my channel, but the one where I was dealing with the H, they said you might have a crack in your cap. So I thought, you know, I'm going to do full tune on it anyways. So I went and got an aftermarket cap. I did have to order the condenser. They didn't have that, and the rotor. I was able to get a set of points for it, but I'm going to wait until the condenser comes in, probably early next week, Tuesday-ish, and tune the rest of this up. Now, what I've decided I'm going to do with this, because it could be a valve sticking or two, and I've always been a fan of seafoam, so I'm going to go ahead and put seafoam in the gas. I'm going to fire this tractor up, and then if that doesn't help at all, what I'm going to do then is put some Marvel Mystery Oil in the oil and go out and work this tractor under load and get it as hot as possible. Silver Barn Farms actually recommended doing that, and it crossed my mind, no doubt about it, but I'm going to go ahead and dump this seafoam in the gasoline. Yeah, love me some seafoam. Love me some mystery oil too. Yeah, we talked about it. You know, you work it under load, and so let's fire this thing up. See what it does with the seafoam in it. All right. Let it run, get that seafoam nice and soaked in. Definitely sounds different. I mean, I know the seafoam ain't in the system yet, but huh, that's interesting. I don't know, between me and you, it sounds better. All I've done, oh, look at that spark come off that track. Oh no. Watch this. As soon as I pulled that sidewall out, it straightened right out. Running beautifully. This has got to come out a half inch. Watch this. Huh. Listen to how much better that sounds though. Just about sounds like the M. I mean, it sounds really good. I gotta hit that Zerk on the water pump, or I'm gonna be replacing a pump, but yeah, I think I found my problem. That's it right there. Let me solve that real quick. So don't ask me why I didn't notice that before, but you know, sometimes the problem you have is right in front of your eyes and you don't see it because you're looking deeper than where you need to look. So you can see I took a pair of vice grips, just pulled that sidewall out just enough to gap it, but I don't think I'm out of the woods yet on it, because I get this out in the field and work it, you know, that's going to be jostling back and forth and getting close to that cap plug. So I'm going to have to definitely put some kind of a buffer in there. I don't know, a piece of rubber, something to keep it from skipping spark. But boy, you heard the difference. I can't believe I didn't notice that before. So really what we're working with here is a new cap, new plugs. They are set at 25,000. Somebody said that open them up a little bit to maybe 28 to get a better idle, but I don't know. I'm listening to it. I kind of like the way it's idling. That's not the same engine as what was in the last video, that's for sure. That's for darn sure. So I think at least for now I've solved it. I will still be doing a full tune on it. No doubt. I don't want to get it out in the field and have to deal with that out there. Not that it's a huge deal, but hey, it's winter time. It's time to get stuff taken care of. But thanks for watching, and I think we got us an H. Boom!